Welcome back. Today we are looking at the impressive iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Gaming PC desktop. It runs on the high-performance AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor for incredible processing speeds. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070Ti Super graphics card delivers stunning visuals for every game. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB NVMe, you have speed and plenty of storage. The beautiful HYTE Y60 case features panoramic tempered glass and customizable 16-color RGB lighting. This system includes Windows 11 Home, Wi-Fi connectivity, plus a free gaming keyboard and mouse. It is the ultimate choice for gamers, streamers, and professional content creators looking for power. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.